If you're looking for the best gaming joysticks, controllers in 2026, here are the top choices based on performance, comfort, durability, and value. The GameSir G7 Pro is one of the highest-rated controllers of 2026. It offers Hall effect TMR sticks to reduce stick drift, 1000 Hz polling rate for fast response, comfortable Xbox-style design, wireless, Bluetooth, and wired connectivity. Great value for PC and Xbox gamers, best for why it's great, Xbox and PC, Xbox Series wireless controller, excellent compatibility and comfort. PS5, PlayStation DualSense, industry-leading haptic feedback and adaptive triggers. Competitive gaming, SCUF Gaming Valor, extra programmable buttons and premium build. Budget wireless, Redragon Hero, affordable wireless controller for casual gaming. Budget wired, Logitech F310 reliable, durable, and inexpensive.